Health tip of the week. What causes hiccups? Hiccups are brief involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle, which is the muscle that separates the chest from the abdomen. Irritation of nerves that extend from the neck to the chest can cause hiccups. These include eating too fast, swallowing air, chewing gum, eating or drinking too much, and stress and anxiety. In children, hiccups may be associated with crying, coughing, or acid reflux. Hiccups are generally not a cause for concern unless they are too frequent, chronic, or persistent. If they interfere with normal functioning, seek medical help. Some home remedies for hiccups include holding your breath, drinking a glass of water, having someone frighten or surprise you, pulling hard on your tongue, among others. Ecclesiastes 11:10, the NLT version says, "So refuse to worry and keep your body healthy." That was the health tip of the week, brought to you by the First Aid and Physical Wellness Ministry of CITAM Eldoret.